What's up guys, I'm Rudy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create countdown with RTMKit in Elementor. But first of all, you need to install RTMKit first in here in your plugin, and you create page. After create page with edit Elementor, and you create flexbox like this one, direct column, and add element, and you need to scroll down until RTMKit general. Here RTMKit general, and there is countdown. You need to drag and drop it. In this countdown, there is type style that you can choose classic or flip, like this one, and you can show title on show title and separator as well, or not show separator, H1, and you can change this one, the date and the time. For the time control, you can show days or not show days, and you can choose days, hours, minutes, second. You can turn it off if you want, and the label as well, and expiration, action, finish, and you can put description as well. And for the style, for the box, you can change the color in here. For the box, and you can give image. For the time style, you can change typography and typography color. Background time, you can change it as well. And with container, you can arrange how much bigger, and spacing as well for the ratios. And this is label style. Here the color, you can change it, and expire style as well. You can change the alignment and the typography, the color. And yeah, if you want to have countdown for your website, you can use RTMKit and install RTMKit in your plugin. Thanks. Plugin.